Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Okay guys, let's take a look at the gold market. So as you can see, our doubts, these warnings was not in vain. So indeed market has shown the upward breakout. Of course, this actually has passed not without the intruding of the external factor, which was the JOLT report. By the investors' opinion, it significantly decreased chances of the next Fed rate hike in September, just because it shows that the unemployment has increased slightly. But well, mostly certainly doesn't change the overall fundamental background, and it's mostly we treat it as short-term speculative games that's trying to shake the boat based on the minor and just tactical information that actually brings no big impact on the overall situation in the United States economy. But meantime, in the short term, it could trigger some more or less moderate pullback on the gold market, which we think that will be temporal. So it seems that market indeed is coming to the 1945 area that we thought probably will be not as possible, but currently, due to the common statistics, it seems that it's nearest now. It is the nearest targets. 1948, 1958 is also confidence resistance. So on the 4-time frame chart, those of you who have long positions, as we said, these entry points on Monday, maybe somehow you were able even to take the position yesterday, although this was really very difficult because upward action was really strong, and we, if you remember, discussed the chances for taking the long position if market will taken out of this top and breaking above the confluence. But this breakout has happened very fast, and well, if you haven't used any stop buy order, hardly you were in time to just taking the position. Currently, we think that with the taking of the new longs, it makes sense to wait and do not take it right now, by the simple reason. First of all, OP stands around 1945, particularly speaking 1943, which agrees with this fib level, and it's also daily confluence resistance. On a 4-hour time frame chart, we have clear Gartley steeple to sell for the completion of this OP around the confidence resistance, which means that, well, chance on the 30% retracement looks significant. It means that if you suggest that market intends to go even higher and move to the XOP target that we will consider later, maybe tomorrow, you just need to wait for some pullback and take position when the retracement will be over. If you'd like to take the short position, theoretically it is possible right from this area, but I would say the same thing that we said previously. That's overall context stands bullish. If you would like to take it, it's of course not forbidden, but it carries significant risk, and you should not marry any positions. As if you decide to take the short, wait for the pattern. Once it will be formed, for example, somewhere on the hourly chart, you could try to take the position, but you need to go out at the first major target that you have based on the pattern that you are using for entry. Meantime, on the hourly chart, you could see what has happened. This was really fast acceleration. There's no chances to take position right at this point with some orders or something, because it was just right to the upside. So market has hit the extensions that we have specified, but as you can see, currently we do not have any background for taking the short position, so no patterns yet. You need to wait when the market will hit the OP, it's around 1945, and then start monitoring the possible bearish minor patterns that might be formed around it that could actually become the starting point of the retracement before taking any short position. So right now I think that it's not a good idea to consider selling gold right at this point.